Jennifer is a social worker with the Freeman Geriatric Center. And Jennifer, thanks for joining us this morning. I want to ask you about the caregiver support group that you're spearheading here. Can you sort of explain who is benefiting from this program and what caused you guys to decide this was something that Freeman wanted to start doing?
Yeah, absolutely. So there are approximately 65.7 million caregivers. That is about 29% of our adult U.S. population. So after learning that information and attending several sessions on caregiving, our team got together and discussed what caregivers go through and how important it is for them to have support in addition to the individual they're providing care to.
What are some of those stresses that you guys have identified, and what are some sort of, I don't know, I guess, how can sharing those stresses be helpful in the process? Because I know there's a wide range of scenarios in which people are caregiving. So what have you guys seen, and how does sharing that make it a little bit easier?
Yeah, so caregiving can be challenging and stressful and even overwhelming at times, not only physically taxing, but also mentally and emotionally. And throughout my years as a social worker in the healthcare field, I've witnessed the impact that a caregiving role can have on an individual. I've had several even report feelings of guilt, as if they feel like they can't do enough or wish they could do more. And I'm always having to remind them that not only are they balancing their own lives, but they're balancing the huge responsibility of a caregiver. And they're doing just the very best that they can. And it's so very important that they hear that because it's so easily forgotten.
Right.
And, these individuals, they need support, camaraderie. They often need reminded of the importance of self-care. And sometimes they just need to feel normalized, needing to know that others too have or are struggling with this role.
There's so many benefits to this, clearly. So these meetings are every third Thursday, and it starts this Thursday, so March 25th. So we'll have that info on our website. Jennifer, thanks so much for sharing the information about this. And it sounds like it's a phenomenal effort that will definitely continue on way beyond the pandemic and everything else.
Yes, we hope so.
Hey, thanks a lot. We appreciate it. We'll have that on our website. We'll be right back on the KOA Morning News right after this.